Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a salt morning star. First, gather your materials. You'll need about 2 cups of fine salt, 1/4 cup of water, and a strong, quick-drying adhesive. Also, grab a sturdy wooden dowel, roughly 18 inches long and 1 inch thick, for the handle. Don't forget a mixing bowl, a spherical mold for the morning star's head, and some protective gloves to keep your hands clean during the process. Now, let's create the morning star's head. In your mixing bowl, combine the 2 cups of fine salt with 1/4 cup of water. Stir these ingredients together very well until you have a damp, cohesive mixture that holds its shape when squeezed. Once mixed, firmly press this salt mixture into your spherical mold, ensuring it's packed tightly to prevent crumbling later. With your salt head molded, it's crucial to let it dry completely. This usually takes about 24 hours to ensure maximum hardness and durability. Once fully dry, take your wooden dowel and apply a generous amount of strong adhesive to one end. Then, carefully insert this adhesive-coated end into the center of your dried salt head, making sure it's straight and secure. After attaching the handle, allow the adhesive to cure for at least 12 hours. This ensures a strong, lasting bond between the salt head and the dowel. For extra durability and a polished look, you can optionally apply a clear sealant over the entire salt head. This will protect it from moisture and give it a nice finish. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.